Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam. My name is Ina Pandora and I am a makeup artist based in Central Florida. Today I'm bringing you another contact lenses swatch. This time these ones are from Unicoeye. I do have swatches from Unicoeye on my YouTube channel. I think I did a few months back. They did contact me again and wanted to send me a few more pairs. I believe these ones are new style. They are premium gray, latte brown, and Caribbean green. I am super excited to try them on. Now all of them are, the prescription is 0, however they are available with prescription too. If you decide to get yourself a pair, I'll make sure to leave all the coupon codes or anything that I have available in the description box. From what I remember, if you want to save 25% off of your next purchase, you can use the code Pandora. By the way, if you're wondering, I did not color my hair black. This is a wig. It's actually a human hair wig I got from Amazon. And by the way, if you guys want me to do my wig collection video, I'll be more than happy. Let me know in the comments down below. Other than that, let's get into swatching these beautiful lenses. To start off, the packages are coming like that. It's definitely showing off as a different brand, but I believe Unicoeye is just market to where they sell different brands. I don't know if they're manufacturing it for a different brands or not, but every time I'm getting the lenses from them, they are definitely different brands. It's not like a Unicoeye brand, if you know what I mean. They do not come with the container, so make sure that you are buying the containers too separately, as you're definitely going to need to store them. Alright guys, so these are monthly. So what does that mean? You can wear them for a whole month, you can store them and then reuse them every day, but you'll have to throw them away in a month. From what I'm looking and researching online, that means monthly contacts are simply contacts you're wearing for a month or 30 days. Just like most contact lenses, you'll need to remove them each night before you go to sleep. But unlike one day daily disposable or bi-weekly contacts, you keep these for a full month. However, before you go to sleep, you'll have to take them off and put them in a separate container. But yeah, they are gonna be after 30 days of being exposed or being worn. These ones you will have to throw away, so just keep that in mind. They do come like this. This one is Caribbean green. As always guys, before buying any contact lenses online, make sure that you are asking your eye doctor if they are right for you, just to be on the safe side. And this is how it looks like with them on. Of course, this is my natural eye and this is the contact lens. It's a huge difference, right? Now this pair is pretty obvious if you're gonna be really close. However, from far apart, it actually looks pretty darn good. If you are familiar with green eyes, natural green eyes are actually pretty close to this color, so I am actually really loving it. I'm definitely going to be using and wearing them more often, and this is how it looks like with both of them on. I really like them. I am definitely very mesmerized. I keep looking at myself in the mirror. Now again, these ones are in the color Caribbean green. Definitely a very beautiful color. I do enjoy a huge change when it comes to the eye color, so I think these ones are really cool. I do love them. Alright guys, I just popped in the Latte Brown. Now can you tell which eye do I have them on? I definitely can, because it makes the eyes a little bit bigger and a little tight bit lighter. However, in the indoors, I don't think they're gonna make a huge difference. With the exception, they're going to look a lot bigger. Nobody's gonna even know that you're having the contacts on. However, if you have blue or gray or green eyes and you want to kind of switch them up, I think these are absolutely gorgeous. Alright guys, and these are the premium gray, and holy guacamole, these look so realistic. Wow, like take a look at this guys. They are like truly, they look so real. They're super comfortable, so this is a plus. I see everything, because I was worried because they're such a solid color I would you know, see limited, but no, I'm seeing everything really clearly. They're super comfortable. And they're so pretty. Take a look at this. Wow, these are definitely, out of all the three, my favorites. Like, what a huge difference. And you can't even tell that this is not my eye, unless of course I'm gonna zoom you in and you'll be able to tell. But honestly, from far or like, you know, decent distance, I don't think you can tell that I have colored contacts on. As far as I understand, these are a new style that they have on the website. And yeah, they're definitely improving. Every time they're sending me something new, they're definitely better and better. Like, these are definitely my favorite. Totally gonna wear them very, very often. All right, guys, both of them are in and I can't get enough of it. I am looking in my mirror all the time. I love them. I think out of these three, these are definitely my favorite. What about you guys? What pair did you like the most? Let me know in the comments down below if you like videos like this. Other than that, thank you for watching, guys. I love you and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.